Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Rodríguez, General and Cosmetic Dentist here in Cartagena, Colombia. And today I'm excited to show you how to use your custom whitening trays at home. Come closer. If you're looking for a brighter smile, you are in the right channel, so let's get started. First, let's go over what you will need. Your custom whitening trays for the top and bottom teeth, the whitening gel syringe I provided, 1 or 2 Q-tips, your toothbrush, floss, and toothpaste. And here's an optional bonus. If you have a Waterpik, bring it in for an extra clean sensation. Step number 1, always start by brushing and flossing your teeth thoroughly. Clean teeth make the whitening process more effective. Quick tip, I can't go on without mentioning how much the Waterpik has changed my life. It keeps my gums so clean and healthy. I'm honestly obsessed with it. There are so many great benefits to using one that I would love to make a whole video just about it. Returning to our whitening steps, here's step number 2. Take the syringe and apply a small drop of the whitening gel to the facial surface of each tooth in the tray. Be careful not to overfill and skip the second molars. Step number 3. Once the gel is applied, gently press the trays onto your teeth, making sure they fit securely. If you see any excess gel near your gums, just wipe it away with a Q-tip. Step number 4. Wear the trays for 1 to 2 hours or as recommended. Try to avoid eating or talking during this time. So this is the perfect moment to watch a movie or read a book. Step number 5. After the recommended time, remove the trays and rinse your mouth with water. Step number 6. Brush your teeth as usual and rinse the trays with cold water. Avoid red wine, coffee, tea, and tobacco for the next 24 hours as these can stain your teeth during whitening. Step number 7. Repeat this process once a day for about 2 weeks or until the syringe is finished. If you experience sensitivity, it is okay to skip a day or 2. And that's it. With these easy steps, you will be on your way to a brighter, more beautiful smile in no time. I can't wait to hear about your whitening results. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or send me a message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.